is April 14th, 2021. This is where I got a call from a lady. She's got a Dunkirk high efficiency boiler that sits on the floor. She said it's got a clicking noise coming from it. Continuously clicking. And high efficiency has got to be cleaned every couple of years, right? So to know if I can go over there and see if I can figure out what's going on. She's got the manual. I told her to find the manual in case there's any codes on it. I can look them up, see what the codes are and all that. Might be interesting. I'm going to start working on a lot of these high efficiency units. Usually I tell the people to call the guy who put it in. I didn't really want to be bothered with it, but I'm getting a lot of calls now, so I'm going to have to start dealing with it. So that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna start dealing with the high efficiency junk. More bells and whistles. Try to get you some shots if I can. If I find out what's going on with it. It's a clicker. Never a dull moment, Miss Molly, no. Never a dull moment. No, I know it. It's calling. Home's clear. That's opening. The thermostat disconnected, is still clicking back and forth. Thing's still operating on and off, and I got the thermostat disconnected. We got issues here. More water. It's probably a bad board. I wonder what that thing's gonna cost.
professional, please have the following information available: service history, appliance model, and serial number. For cooling products, including heat pumps, press 1. For condensing boilers, press 2. For all other heating products, press 3. For a qualified professional, please have the following information available: service history, appliance model, and serial number. For cooling products, including heat pumps, press 1. For condensing boilers, press 2. For all other heating products, press 3. To repeat these choices.
Alright, so we got here, we got power.
We appreciate your patience. Please stay on the line and your call will be answered in the order in which it was received.
So I'll make sure this is nice and tight. Ground. The ground is not hooked up, but it should be.
You are the third caller in the queue. All our agents are currently on other calls. We encourage you to utilize our callback service. To keep your position in line and to receive a callback from one of our technicians, please press 8.
Unless this transformer's junk. Could be.
You are the third caller in the queue. All our agents are currently on other calls. We encourage you to utilize our callback service. To keep your position in line and to receive a callback from one of our technicians, please press 8.
Hey guys, we got the new control here. It's one of those smart controls, but it's not in the box. Put it in. I did check the power coming in. I had all good connections coming in. I had the thermostat wire disconnected. And it was still calling, so I'm gonna change it. So four. That one's a 2. That one's a 3. And I got a black and a white coming in there on this. Black and a white. Isn't that just ducky? Nothing but quality here. Be able to just plug and play with this stuff. This one plugs in there. 3-wire plugs in there. I'll do this one. Black goes to B1, which is burner, and then this is B2. Alright. 3-wire. There. Damper. And a probe. To set the high temperature, and then this low was off. Alright, let's turn it on. I'm going to jump out the thermostat and we'll set the high limit. See what the high limit's set at. This is the low limit right here. We set that, the low limit, to off. High limit set at 180. Okay, we should be able to jump out the TT and this thing should fire. Jump out TT right here and it'll fire. Like the thermostat. Alright. I got the power on. The amp is going to open. And she's going to fire. Usually we have ignition. Then disconnect the thermostat. The damper will close. It's ready to go. That's what it was. It was that control that was bad. Put this back together. Cover. I got the low limit off. I got the high limit set at 180, the low limit's off, and the economizer's off. My boiler temperature looks okay. I did check the burners are clean. She's not clicking anymore. We did jump it out, ran it through a cycle. New mean operating control Burner tubes clean. Pro press. Everything's pro press now, looks like.